Rocket Lab, a comprehensive analysis of 10 years of innovation and future prospects in the aerospace industry.
Introduction.
Founded in 2006 by Peter Beck, Rocket Lab has emerged as a prominent player in the aerospace sector, particularly in the small satellite launch domain. Over the last decade, the company has made significant strides in innovation, operational efficiency, and customer-focused solutions, establishing itself as a leader in providing affordable and rapid launch services. This report delves into the key developments, strategies, market position, and future prospects of Rocket Lab, offering a comprehensive analysis of its journey thus far and what lies ahead.
Key developments and timeline.
2006, Rocket Lab was established with the mission to lower the barriers for commercial access to space. 2009, Rocket Lab made history by becoming the first private company to reach space in the southern hemisphere with its Aerosp rocket.
2017, the company launched its Electron rocket.
Specifically designed for small satellite deployments at a remarkably low cost of less than $5 million per launch. 2020 to 2023, the company has experienced a substantial increase in demand for its services, successfully conducting multiple missions while developing advanced technologies and launching plans for its next-generation Neutron rocket. Key strategies and competitive advantages.
Rocket Lab's growth strategy is centered on innovation and operational efficiency.
The design of the Electron rocket allows for rapid deployment, critical for meeting the increasing demand for small satellites. This focus on small satellite launches is a significant competitive advantage, as the market for such services is expected to expand dramatically, driven by the proliferation of small satellite technologies used in various applications, including Earth observation and communications. The company's vertically integrated model enables it to control the entire process, from design and manufacturing to launch, ensuring quality and efficiency.
This integration,
along with proprietary technologies and a commitment to sustainability, positions Rocket Lab favorably against competitors like SpaceX and Blue Origin.
Competitive advantages.
1. Small satellite launch capability. Specialization in small satellites provides tailored solutions for a growing market.
2. Rapid deployment. Fast launch capabilities cater to time-sensitive missions, enhancing customer satisfaction.
3. Proprietary technology. Advanced propulsion systems and lightweight materials improve performance and reliability. 4. Vertical integration. In-house design and manufacturing lead to greater control over quality and efficiency. 5. Global launch sites. Multiple launch sites enhance flexibility and accessibility for international customers.
Market position and future prospects.
Rocket Lab's market position is characterized by agility and innovation. As industry trends shift toward more sustainable practices, Rocket Lab has committed to reducing its environmental impact by incorporating reusable technologies in its rockets. The increasing privatization of space exploration presents both challenges and opportunities,
requiring Rocket Lab to continually differentiate itself in a crowded landscape.
Future prospects for Rocket Lab appear promising. The company plans to expand its global presence and develop advanced launch technologies, including the Neutron rocket, which will further enhance its capabilities.
Strategic partnerships with government agencies and private sector players will also bolster its market reach and operational capacity. Common themes and divergence across sources.
Multiple sources consistently highlight Rocket Lab's commitment to innovation, particularly in cost-effective launch solutions and the growing demand for small satellite launches. However, differences arise in the analysis focus. Some sources provide a detailed breakdown of Rocket Lab's strategic development plans, including a SWOT analysis, while others emphasize the historical timeline of achievements and the company's vision for future disruption in the market.
Key challenges ahead.
As Rocket Lab pursues growth, it must navigate several challenges.
Intense competition. The aerospace industry is increasingly crowded, with major players like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Orbit vying for market share. Rocket Lab must continuously innovate to maintain its competitive edge. Regulatory hurdles. Navigating complex regulatory frameworks for launching rockets and payloads will require diligence and adaptability. Technological advancements. Staying abreast of rapid technological changes is essential to meet evolving customer needs and maintain industry leadership. Supply chain management. Ensuring timely delivery of components and maintaining quality control across a complex supply chain will be crucial for success. Environmental sustainability. Addressing growing concerns regarding the carbon footprint of space launches will necessitate the development of greener technologies. Opportunities for growth. Despite challenges, Rocket Lab is well positioned to capitalize on numerous opportunities. 1. Increasing demand for small satellite launches. The rise of small satellites for Earth observation communication and scientific research presents a growing market for Rocket Lab's services. 2. Partnerships and collaborations. Forming strategic alliances with satellite manufacturers, space agencies, and industry players will enhance capabilities and market access. 3. Expansion of launch sites. Establishing additional launch sites can reduce lead times and increase launch frequency, providing greater flexibility to customers. 4. Development of advanced technologies. Continued investment in research and development for reusable rockets and innovative propulsion systems can significantly boost operational efficiency. 5. Global market expansion. Exploring opportunities in emerging markets across Asia-Pacific, Europe, and the Middle East can diversify Rocket Lab's customer base and revenue streams. Conclusion. In summary, Rocket Lab has established itself as an innovative leader in the aerospace industry over the past decade. With a clear focus on small satellite launches, operational efficiency, and sustainability, the company is well positioned to leverage growing opportunities in the space sector. The next chapter for Rocket Lab will likely involve further technological advancements and expansion into emerging markets, allowing it to maintain its competitive edge in an evolving landscape. As the company continues to break barriers in space access, it remains poised to play a critical role in the future of space exploration and satellite deployment. Counterintuitive information in Rocket Lab's analysis. 1. Cost reduction versus quality. One might assume that reducing the cost of space launches, particularly for small satellites, would lead to a compromise in quality or reliability. However, Rocket Lab's vertically integrated model allows them to maintain high standards while still offering lower prices. This defies the traditional notion that cheaper services equate to poorer quality. 2. Sustainability and profitability. It is often thought that sustainable practices increase operational costs and reduce profitability. Rocket Lab's commitment to sustainability, including the development of reusable rocket technologies, suggests that environmentally friendly approaches can be economically viable and potentially more profitable in the long run. This challenges the conventional wisdom that prioritizing profit and sustainability are mutually exclusive. 3. Impact of market saturation. As more companies enter the small satellite launch market, one might expect Rocket Lab to face diminishing returns or increased competition, leading to price wars. Surprisingly, the growing number of players may actually validate and expand the market, increasing overall demand for launches rather than merely redistributing a fixed market share. This indicates that a saturated market can lead to increased opportunities rather than simply heightened competition. 4. Technological advancements versus regulatory challenges. There is a common belief that rapid technological advancements often outpace regulatory frameworks, creating bottlenecks for innovations. However, Rocket Lab has successfully navigated regulatory hurdles, suggesting that proactive engagement with regulatory bodies can facilitate rather than hinder technological progress. This counterintuitive approach demonstrates that collaboration with regulators can streamline operations. 5. Small satellites as a major market driver. Many in the aerospace industry may underestimate the impact of small satellites in shaping the future of space exploration. Rocket Lab's focus on this niche market reveals that smaller, more affordable satellites can drive significant demand for launch services, which runs counter to the traditional emphasis on larger, more expensive missions. 6. A global expansion and local identity. It is commonly believed that successful companies must maintain a strong local identity to thrive. Rocket Lab's approach of establishing a global presence while still being rooted in New Zealand challenges this notion. Their ability to expand internationally while leveraging their local expertise demonstrates that a balance of local and global operations can enhance competitiveness. 7. Space exploration and commercial viability. The prevailing view might be that commercializing space exploration diminishes its scientific integrity. Rocket Lab's model suggests that commercialization can enhance scientific endeavors by making space more accessible and affordable for research purposes, thus potentially increasing the volume and diversity of scientific data collected from space missions. 8. Private sector versus government initiatives. It is often perceived that government initiatives are necessary to drive advancements in aerospace technology. Rocket Lab's rise as a key player in the industry illustrates that private companies can lead innovation and significantly impact space exploration, challenging the notion that government involvement is essential for success in aerospace. 9. Operational efficiency leading to market agility. Typically, one might think that operational efficiency equates to rigidity in business processes. However, Rocket Lab's streamlined operations allow them to be agile and responsive to market demands. This suggests that efficiency can coexist with flexibility, enabling companies to adapt quickly to changing conditions. 10. Collaborative competition. The expectation in competitive industries is that companies will primarily act in isolation to protect their market share. Rocket Lab's partnerships with other firms and government entities indicate that collaboration can coexist with competition, leading to mutual benefits and enhanced capabilities in the aerospace sector. This counterintuitive perspective highlights the potential for synergy in a competitive landscape. By recognizing and analyzing these counterintuitive aspects of Rocket Lab's operations and strategies, one can gain a deeper understanding of how the company navigates challenges in the aerospace industry and positions itself for future success. Overlooked content in the Rocket Lab report and its significance. 1. Vertical integration as a competitive edge. While many analyses of Rocket Lab emphasize its innovative technology and customer-centric approach, the significance of its vertical integration strategy is often understated. Rocket Lab controls the entire process, from design to manufacturing and launching its rockets. This integrated approach not only enhances quality control but also minimizes costs and lead times. By having full oversight of every aspect, Rocket Lab can rapidly iterate on designs and implement improvements based on customer feedback or operational data. This flexibility is crucial in a fast-evolving industry where the ability to adapt quickly can differentiate leaders from followers. Significance: vertical integration allows Rocket Lab to maintain a competitive advantage in terms of agility and responsiveness, which is critical in an industry where timelines for satellite deployment can make or break contracts. This capability positions Rocket Lab favorably against larger competitors who may face bureaucratic hurdles in their more segmented operations. 2. Emphasis on sustainability. The report mentions Rocket Lab's commitment to sustainability, yet it glosses over the full implications of this commitment. As the aerospace industry faces increasing scrutiny over its environmental impact, Rocket Lab's focus on developing reusable rocket technologies and minimizing carbon emissions becomes even more significant. The company's initiatives to incorporate greener technologies not only align with global sustainability goals but also attract environmentally conscious customers and investors. Significance: in a future where regulatory frameworks may impose stricter environmental standards, Rocket Lab's proactive approach to sustainability could provide it with a critical edge. By being ahead of the curve, Rocket Lab can mitigate risks associated with potential regulatory changes and position itself as a leader in sustainable aerospace practices. 3. Market dynamics and competition landscape. In discussing Rocket Lab's competitors, the report mentions major players like SpaceX and Blue Origin but lacks a nuanced analysis of how these competitive dynamics specifically impact Rocket Lab's strategies.
For instance, while Rocket Lab focuses on small satellite launches, understanding how competitors might respond, such as through the development of dedicated small satellite launch vehicles, could provide deeper insights into Rocket Lab's strategic planning. Significance: the competitive landscape is not static, it evolves with technological advancements and shifts in market demand. By not fully exploring how Rocket Lab can anticipate or respond to competitive moves, the report may miss out on identifying potential strategic partnerships or innovations that could further strengthen Rocket Lab's position. 4. The role of strategic partnerships. The report mentions partnerships but does not delve into their potential strategic implications. Collaborations with government agencies and private sector players can significantly enhance Rocket Lab's capabilities and market reach. For example, partnerships with satellite manufacturers could lead to exclusive contracts, while collaborations with space agencies could provide funding and technology sharing opportunities. Significance: in an industry where collaboration often leads to innovation and shared risk, Rocket Lab's ability to forge and nurture these partnerships could be pivotal. A strategic partnership can also facilitate entry into new markets or segments, providing a buffer against competitive pressures. 5. The impact of emerging markets. While the report touches on Rocket Lab's plans for global expansion, it fails to adequately address the implications of emerging markets in the aerospace sector. Countries like India and those in Southeast Asia are rapidly developing their space capabilities and may represent significant new markets for launch services. Rocket Lab's ability to capitalize on these opportunities can greatly influence its growth trajectory. Significance: by strategically positioning itself in emerging markets, Rocket Lab can diversify its revenue streams and reduce dependency on established markets where competition is fierce. Understanding regional dynamics and regulatory environments will be critical for successful expansion. 6. Technological advancements and R&D investments. The report highlights Rocket Lab's commitment to innovation but does not emphasize the long-term significance of its R&D investments. The development of advanced technologies such as reusable rockets and in-space propulsion systems is not just about immediate gains but also about positioning Rocket Lab for the future. These advancements can lead to new business lines such as in-space manufacturing or servicing satellites, which could become increasingly important as space becomes more accessible. Significance: R&D is the lifeblood of any technology-driven company. Rocket Lab's ongoing investment in research not only enhances its current offerings but also ensures its relevance in a rapidly changing market landscape. Companies that rest on their laurels risk obsolescence as new technologies emerge. 7. Response to market fluctuations. The report mentions challenges such as competition and regulatory hurdles but does not delve into how Rocket Lab plans to navigate market fluctuations. The aerospace industry is subject to cyclical demand, and understanding how Rocket Lab intends to manage its operations during downturns, such as through cost management or diversification of services, could provide a more comprehensive view of its resilience. Significance: a robust strategy for managing market volatility can enhance investor confidence and ensure long-term sustainability. Companies that can effectively navigate economic cycles tend to have a stronger market position and more stable growth. 8. Integration of new technologies. While Rocket Lab is recognized for its innovative technologies, the report does not adequately explore how the integration of new technologies could affect its operations. For example, incorporating AI and machine learning into its launch processes could optimize launch windows or improve maintenance schedules, thus enhancing operational efficiency. Significance: the ability to leverage new technologies could lead to significant cost savings and operational improvements, further solidifying Rocket Lab's competitive position. By failing to discuss these potential advancements, the report may overlook key areas for future growth and efficiency gains. 9. Customer-centric innovations. The report mentions Rocket Lab's customer-centric approach but does not elaborate on specific innovations that are driven by customer feedback.
This can include customizable launch services or rapid response capabilities for urgent deployments.
These innovations can be crucial in differentiating Rocket Lab from competitors who may have more rigid offerings. Significance: a strong customer-centric approach can lead to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty, which are essential for repeat business in the aerospace sector. Understanding and responding to customer needs can be a significant driver of Rocket Lab's growth.
10. Broader economic implications of launch services. Finally, the report does not discuss the broader economic implications of Rocket Lab's launch services. The ability to launch satellites quickly and cost-effectively can have far-reaching effects on industries such as telecommunications, agriculture, and disaster management.
Significance: by contributing to the growth of various sectors through improved satellite access, Rocket Lab can position itself as an integral player in the global economy. This broader economic perspective can enhance Rocket Lab's appeal to investors and stakeholders who are focused on systemic impacts and value creation. In conclusion, while Rocket Lab's report provides a solid overview of its innovations and future prospects, key aspects such as vertical integration, sustainability, competitive dynamics, and the implications of strategic partnerships warrant deeper exploration. Recognizing these overlooked elements can enhance understanding of Rocket Lab's potential and the broader implications of its operations in the aerospace industry. In analyzing Rocket Lab's journey over the past decade and its future prospects in the aerospace industry, 4 key points emerged that warrant in-depth discussion. 1. Innovative launch solutions and competitive advantages. Rocket Lab has positioned itself as a leader in the small satellite launch sector through its emphasis on innovative, cost-effective, and rapid launch solutions. The Electron rocket, which was launched in 2017, is specifically designed for small satellites and offers launch services at a significantly lower cost, under $5 million per launch compared to traditional launch vehicles. This focus on a niche market for small satellites allows Rocket Lab to cater to a growing demand. Driven by advancements in satellite technology and the increasing number of organizations looking to deploy small payloads into orbit, the company's vertical integration model further enhances its competitive edge. By controlling the entire production process, from design and manufacturing to launch, Rocket Lab can maintain high-quality standards and operational efficiency. This integrated approach not only streamlines operations but also enables rapid deployment capabilities that are critical for meeting customers' time-sensitive needs. Additionally, proprietary technologies developed by Rocket Lab, such as advanced propulsion systems and lightweight materials, contribute to its ability to deliver reliable and flexible launch services. 2. Market demand and growth opportunities. The market for small satellite launches is projected to expand significantly, driven by the increasing utilization of small satellites for applications ranging from Earth observation to communication and scientific research. As organizations including governments and private companies continue to explore the potential of satellite constellations, the demand for dedicated launch services will only intensify. Rocket Lab's strategic focus on small satellite launches positions it well to capitalize on this trend. Moreover, Rocket Lab's future growth prospects are bolstered by its plans to develop the Neutron rocket, which aims to further enhance its launch capabilities. This upcoming vehicle is expected to cater to larger payloads and expand the company's service offerings, allowing it to compete more effectively against larger players in the industry such as SpaceX and Blue Origin. The company is also actively pursuing global market expansion, establishing partnerships with various stakeholders including government agencies, which can lead to new business opportunities and revenue streams. 3. Sustainability commitments and environmental impact. As the aerospace industry grapples with increasing scrutiny surrounding its environmental impact, Rocket Lab has made notable commitments to sustainability. The company is exploring reusable rocket technologies and has taken steps to minimize its carbon footprint, aligning itself with the industry's shift towards more sustainable practices. By incorporating reusable components in its rocket systems, Rocket Lab not only reduces operational costs but also addresses growing concerns about the environmental consequences of space launches.
The emphasis on sustainability is likely to resonate with a broader audience, including customers who prioritize environmental considerations in their operations. As regulatory frameworks around environmental impact become more stringent, Rocket Lab's proactive approach to sustainability could provide it with a competitive advantage, positioning the company as a responsible choice for clients looking to launch payloads into space. 4. Challenges and industry dynamics. Despite its successes, Rocket Lab faces several challenges that could impact its future trajectory. The increasing competition in the aerospace sector, particularly from established players like SpaceX and new entrants, necessitates continuous innovation and differentiation. Rocket Lab will need to sustain its momentum by consistently enhancing its technologies and expanding its service offerings to remain relevant in a rapidly evolving landscape. Additionally, navigating regulatory hurdles presents another challenge. The aerospace industry is subject to complex regulations that can affect launch schedules and operational capabilities. Rocket Lab must remain agile and responsive to these regulatory dynamics while ensuring compliance, which can be resource-intensive. Furthermore, the company's supply chain management will be critical as it scales operations and increases launch frequency. Ensuring timely delivery of components and maintaining quality control will be essential for sustaining customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Conclusion.
In summary, Rocket Lab's journey over the past decade showcases its innovation, competitive positioning in the small satellite launch market, commitment to sustainability, and the challenges it faces in a dynamic industry. With a clear strategy to leverage the growing demand for satellite launches and a focus on technological advancements, Rocket Lab is well equipped to navigate the future of the aerospace industry while addressing the complexities of competition and regulatory landscapes. 1. NASA's Apollo program 1961-1972. The Apollo program was a significant series of missions aimed at landing humans on the Moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. Initiated by President John F. Kennedy's commitment to space exploration, it led to the historic Apollo 11 mission in 1969, when astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the lunar surface. The program demonstrated remarkable innovation in aerospace engineering and project management, culminating in a total of 6 successful moon landings. The legacy of Apollo has had a lasting impact on space exploration and technology, inspiring future generations and laying the groundwork for subsequent missions to Mars and beyond. 2. The Space Shuttle Program 1981-2011. NASA's Space Shuttle program was a revolutionary spaceflight program that enabled reusable spacecraft to carry astronauts and cargo to low Earth orbit. Over the course of 135 missions, the Space Shuttle facilitated the construction of the International Space Station (ISS), launched numerous satellites, and conducted scientific research in space. The program highlighted the importance of innovation in space transportation with advancements in aerodynamics, materials science, and safety protocols. Despite facing challenges including the tragic losses of Challenger and Columbia, the Space Shuttle program advanced human understanding of space travel and contributed significantly to scientific knowledge.
3. The Mars Rover missions 2003-present. NASA's Mars Rover missions, including Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance, represent a significant achievement in robotic exploration of the Red Planet. These missions have utilized advanced technology in robotics, artificial intelligence, and scientific instrumentation to explore Mars' geology, climate, and potential for past life. The success of these missions has not only expanded our understanding of Mars but also demonstrated the capabilities of autonomous systems in extraterrestrial environments. The ongoing exploration efforts continue to pave the way for future human missions to Mars and beyond, showcasing the importance of innovation in aerospace engineering and planetary science. Future outlook, predictions for Rocket Lab over the next decade.
As Rocket Lab continues to position itself as a key player in the aerospace industry, particularly within the small satellite launch sector, several trends and predictions can be made regarding its future trajectory over the next decade. 1. Increased demand for small satellite launches. The growing proliferation of small satellites for various applications, such as Earth observation communication and scientific research, will continue to drive demand for dedicated launch services. Rocket Lab's focus on small satellite launches through its Electron rocket positions it favorably to capitalize on this trend. Predictions suggest that the small satellite market will grow exponentially, leading to an increase in launch frequency where Rocket Lab could potentially conduct dozens of launches per year, solidifying its market leadership. 2. Technological advancements and innovation. Rocket Lab is likely to invest heavily in research and development to enhance its rocket technologies, including its upcoming Neutron rocket. This advanced vehicle will target larger payloads and could compete with other major players like SpaceX. The development of reusable rocket technology is also expected, which would further reduce costs and increase launch frequency. Innovations in propulsion systems, payload integration, and launch operations will set Rocket Lab apart from competitors and enhance its overall efficiency. 3. Sustainability and environmental responsibility. As environmental concerns gain prominence, Rocket Lab will likely increase its focus on sustainable practices. This includes the development of greener rocket technologies and implementing practices that minimize the environmental impact of launches. By adopting reusable technologies and exploring alternative fuel sources, Rocket Lab can position itself as a leader in sustainable aerospace practices, appealing to environmentally conscious customers and stakeholders. 4. Expansion of global launch capabilities. Rocket Lab is expected to expand its global presence by establishing additional launch sites beyond its current operations in New Zealand and the United States. This expansion will facilitate quicker turnaround times and allow the company to cater to a broader customer base across diverse regions. By strategically positioning launch facilities in key markets, Rocket Lab can enhance its competitiveness and responsiveness to customer demands. 5. Strategic partnerships and collaborations. Future growth for Rocket Lab will likely involve forming strategic partnerships with satellite manufacturers, governmental agencies, and other aerospace companies. Collaborations could lead to joint ventures, co-development opportunities, and access to new markets. Such partnerships will not only enhance Rocket Lab's capabilities but also diversify its service offerings, allowing it to tap into emerging sectors like lunar exploration and space tourism. 6. Navigating competitive challenges. As more companies enter the space launch sector, competition is expected to intensify. Rocket Lab will need to continuously innovate and differentiate itself to maintain a competitive edge. This includes focusing on its unique strengths in small satellite launches and operational efficiency. Additionally, addressing regulatory challenges and ensuring compliance with evolving aerospace regulations will be crucial in maintaining its market position. 7. Diversification of services. In response to market demands, Rocket Lab may explore diversification beyond satellite launches. This could involve venturing into areas like space debris removal, in-orbit servicing, and lunar missions. By broadening its service portfolio, Rocket Lab can create new revenue streams and mitigate risks associated with fluctuations in the satellite launch market. 8. Enhancing supply chain resilience. Managing a complex supply chain will be essential for Rocket Lab as it scales its operations. Future investments in supply chain management will be critical to ensure timely delivery of parts, maintain quality control, and respond effectively to any disruptions. Strengthening relationships with suppliers and investing in local manufacturing capabilities may enhance resilience and operational efficiency. 9. Focus on national defense and security contracts. With increasing interest in space from government entities, Rocket Lab is likely to pursue contracts with national defense agencies.
by positioning itself as a reliable partner for defense-related missions.
Rocket Lab can secure a steady stream of revenue and contribute to national security objectives, thus enhancing its reputation in the aerospace sector. 10. Public perception and market branding. As Rocket Lab continues to innovate, building a strong brand image that resonates with stakeholders, ranging from investors to customers, will be crucial. Effective marketing and communication strategies will help in establishing Rocket Lab as a trusted leader in the aerospace industry, particularly in the realm of small satellite launches.
Conclusion.
Over the next decade, Rocket Lab is poised to capitalize on the expanding small satellite market and drive technological advancements while maintaining a commitment to sustainability. By expanding its global reach, forming strategic partnerships, and diversifying its service offerings, Rocket Lab can navigate the competitive landscape and solidify its position as a leader in the aerospace industry.
The future appears bright for Rocket Lab,
with ample opportunities for growth and innovation on the horizon.